Here I've got Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, which is here, and now you can smoothly activate dark dim, which is here. Click on dark mode, and now you're in dark mode. So as you can see, the display is black, and then you've got white letters, and the whole device is working in this mode. Then if you would like to switch it off, go to display and brightness one more time and switch it off by tapping on the same icon. You can also quickly activate dark dim through the upper bar, simply slide it down, and then click on the dark mode icon here. And that's it, it has been applied, and then you can switch it off smoothly by tapping on the same tab. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate night mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.